Welcome to the Fix It Tech News channel, and we talk about natural speech understanding using AI or artificial intelligence to actually understand human speech. This is something that has been a tough one for computers, understanding human speech with the different variations, the millions of variations that human speech can have depending on one person to the other, and the different accents we have and different tones of voices and so on. Well, Microsoft is of course working on a AI neural engine that actually will understand speech, and Google also is working on that. And of course, one of the main reasons is for the integration within their own systems. But what is very interesting is that, of course, there's kind of a little competition right now going on. In December, Google has actually announced that their AI neural speech engine recognition or understanding was very good at like 90% rate of understanding, which was very, very nice, and it's a very good score. Well, Microsoft this week in the same tests has said that their own speech recognition and understanding using their own AI engine is actually higher and better than Google, and actually is the best out there right now. And of course, this is moving forward in our understanding of how computers will interact with us in the future. We already have and are quite advanced in certain ways, because we do have voice assistants now and everything. But remember that your devices don't actually do the translation or do the understanding. Your voice is being sent to servers, and then the server actually tells your device what action you actually want it to perform. So it might look like a smart speaker, but the speaker is actually a dumb speaker that asks servers how to interact with us. So this is, of course, interesting, and it's also something that they are working on, because they want to have that possibility of having less and less to rely on servers on the internet to do the job, and have more and more devices that will have enough power to understand this. So it's kind of interesting research going on here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.